Welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I, Professor Rakesh Purvia from Mathematics Department. Today's our topic is matrix multiplication. So it is an important thing which we learn from here, matrix multiplication. So multiplication. So first of all, we take two matrices of A and B. Then matrix multiplication is done by this way. So now how it becomes that we have to know. First of all, in matrix A, suppose here what we have 3 cross 3 matrix. In this is first row, same way second row, and this one is third row. Same way first column, second column, third column. Same for matrix B also. So here we have how many? And this one A11, A12, A13 and so on up to A33. Similar for B11, B12 and B33. These all are elements of their respective matrix. Okay, A and B. Now for matrix multiplication, this we know last time we have done already. This shows number of rows and this shows number of columns. Similarly for 3 cross 3. Now when it comes to multiplication, we need to know two things there. So first of all, things are this one. Matrix multiplication, necessary condition for matrix multiplication is number of column of first matrix should be same of number of row of second matrix. Then matrix multiplication is possible, otherwise it is not possible for matrix multiplication. So now let's start the process. How it comes? So first of all, for first this one. So for this one, this entry A11 shows element of matrix A which stands in first row and first column, first row second column, first row third column. Same for third row third column. Similarly for matrix B. Now when we start the process, what happens? For this end, what happens? Its address is first row. In resulting matrix, address is first row first column. So what we have done? First we multiply all the elements of first row with all the elements of first column of matrix B by element wise. What is meaning of element wise? First entry of first row A11 is multiplied by B11, A12 is multiplied by B21, semi plus A13 multiplied by B31. B31 it is. B31. Same way, first for this one, first row, second column, first row, second column, this one A11, B12, A12, B22, A13, B32. This one. Similarly for this one. Now, when it's over, then second row. Now this address, what it is? 2 1. For resulting it is 2 1. So second row first column. So here we take second row first column. Element wise multiplication A21 into B11, A22, B21, A23, B31. Same for this one. So now we take second row as it is and second column. So this becomes A21, B12, A22, B22, A23, B32. Similarly for third row, second. So it is this one. A21, B13, A22, B23, A23, B33 and so on. Now third row first column, this will gives you A31, B11, A32, B21, A33, B31. This one similarly for second column A31, B12, A32, B22, A33, B32 and so on for third row, third column. So it is A31, B13 plus A32, B32, A33, B33, this one. So see here what happens, matrix multiplication is done. Now the order of the resulting matrix you can decide before multiplication also. So necessary condition is number of column should be same of number of row, and rest of this row of first one and column of second one gives you resulting matrix, order of resulting matrix. Now we go for examples. First example, A equal to 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6. B equal to, dimension of this one, 2 cross 3. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 8. So it is 3 cross 2. For this example, matrix multiplication is possible or not, first we have to check. So, solution point of view, here I write find AB. So, for AB, one, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. Now this is for 2 cross 3, this is 3 cross 2. Now product, you can decide order of resulting matrix before multiplication. How it is? So first of all our necessary condition is number of column of first one and number of row of second one should be same. Here it is 3 and 3, so it is same. So we can say matrix multiplication is possible. Now, what is the order of resulting matrix? You can write here 2 cross 2, because 2 from here, this one, and 2 from here. Now, process is, I can make something big, so we need here. Okay. Now, first row, first column, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3, element wise multiplication, plus 2 into 5. Same way, first row, second column, 1 into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 8. Same way, okay, this one. So now second row, first column, 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 6 into 5. For second row, second column, so it is 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 6 into 8. So this way you can get. So this is order of 2 cross 2. So now simple multiplication addition is there. 1 plus 9 plus 10. So it is 20. 2, 12, 14 and 16. It is 30. 2, 12. It is 14 plus 30, 44. This is 4. This is 4 plus 16 plus 48. So it is you can say 68. This is your answer. This way you can see. So this is what we have done. So one more thing you have to know. Number of, first of all you need to know necessary condition. Number of column of first matrix and number of row of second matrix should be same. Then and then matrix multiplication is possible, otherwise it is not possible. Now we go for one more example. Let's say A equal to 1 0 5 3 2 1 1 minus 1 3. B equal to 2 0 5 3 1 4 1 2 3. This. Then what do you have to find? We have to find product of A, B. So this is, first of all, write down the matrices, whatever given to you. 1 0 5 3 2 1 1 minus 1 3 2 0 5 3 1 4 1 2 3. Okay. From basic, what we need? What are the order of first matrix? 3 cross 3. For second one, it is again 3 cross 3. So our necessary condition is, first out we have to check whether matrix multiplication is possible or not. So first one, number of column should equal to number of row. So from here we can completely say that matrix multiplication is possible. Now what about the dimension of resulting matrix? You can directly write here. From this 3 gives you row and this 3 gives you column. Okay. So now addition, multiplication, first row, first column, all entries are here. So it is 1 into 2 plus 0 into 3 plus 5 into 1. Same, first row, second column, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 5 into 2. First row, third column. So it is 1 into 5 plus 0 into 4 plus 5 into 3. Same. Now for this one, address is second row, first column. So it is second row, first column. 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Second row, first column, entry multiplication is done. Control transfer to next one. Second row, second column. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Then second row, third column. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 plus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 3. Done. Control transfer to third row, first column. 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Third row, second column, 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 2. This one. Then third row, third column. So it is 1 into 5 plus minus 1 into 4 plus 3 into 3. This one. Now I will write answer here. Okay, so it is 2 plus 0 plus 5. So it is 7. 0, 0, 10. This is 5 and 15. 20. 3 to the 6. 6, 12, 30. 0, 2, 2. So it is 4. 15, 8, 23 and 3. 26. And this one 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 2. 0 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 4 1 9 10. This is your answer. So see here, resulting matrix order is 3 cross 3. So this way you can do the matrix multiplication. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.